Hi guys, welcome to the more side of Biza'S Kitchen and more. Today I'm away from the kitchen to teach my sissy some Jamaican Patwa. She's always complaining about that I speak too fast and she doesn't understand me. So today I'm going to be teaching her the language, the real island girl language. Tashel, them here in your shop, me need two more. You're always having a problem with me speaking, but it's called language barrier. Well, English is our main language, but the Patwa is a language that was developed by the slaves when they don't want the colonizers to understand what they were saying. And that's why I'm here to teach you Patwa, so you can understand what I'm saying when we're speaking.
Okay.
Wasn't so?
Yes,
and that means, do you understand in our language? In Shona, right?
Yeah, I was inspired from that town.
So stay tuned. This one is going to be fun.
Welcome to Biza'S Kitchen and more. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
All right, so Priscilla.
Yes.
When we wake up in the morning, I'm with you. You normally say mango nani. In Jamaica, we say morning.
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 What does that mean?
Mango nani?
No, in English.
Morning.
Morning. All right. Yes, I get this. Hey. All right.
Nice.
So, I want to say, give me some water.
Give me some water.
Give me
me
some water.
Water.
So give me some water.
Give me some water.
Here, give me some water. I'm thirsty.
Give me some water. I'm thirsty.
Okay, so what would you say in English?
Make it. Can you please me water? I'm thirsty.
All right. You see, you say I understand what me I talk about sometimes. Eh? You understand, sure. All right. So, all right. Let's do this. So go.
Get out. You get away.
So why you're always complaining that you don't understand when I speak?
Because the problem is that because we mixed with English, Jamaican.
Well, it's
So
because Patwa
if
is
you
broken language.
yes, so about that you speak fast. So to me it's not easy to hear what you say.
Okay. So especially when I'm mad, I usually speak very fast Patwa at that point.
Yes.
Right? So alright. So go.
Get out.
Alright. So in Jamaica when we accuse somebody, we say, go dirty boy.
Go away and now come. Go away.
No, go dirty boy.
Go away.
Dirty boy.
Go away.
Dirty boy.
Dirty.
Not dirty. Dirty boy.
Dirty wine.
Dirty.
What? Dirty.
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 Dirty boy.
Why?
Boy.
Why?
It's boy, but it's boy. We're drawing out a boy.
Why?
Boy. So
Why?
so boy, dirty boy.
Good.
Alright, let's try the other one. Go dirty girl.
Who is it girl?
See that one. So why is the boy so hard? Cars.
Get out with the girl.
Not that get a boy. We say go.
Go.
Go for yourself.
Go.
So it's like evapor
Papa.
or protect. So it's the same thing. So
Yes.
go dirty boy.
Go.
Go.
Yes.
We say go.
Go.
Dirty boy.
Everybody.
Dirty
Dirty.
boy.
Oh. Bye.
Boy.
Yeah. Bye.
Alright. So mama.
Go. Dirty boy.
Alright. So I need something to eat. Beg you some of your food now.
You cook some
No,
food.
no. Beg you some of your food.
Take you some food.
So beg you.
Take your.
Beg you.
Take me.
Beg you.
Beg you
Some
some
food.
food.
So beg you some of your food now.
Take you some food now.
So like you eat bread and we say puree. Beg you some of your bread.
Take me some bread.
Beg.
Beg.
Beg. Beg you some
Take you some
of your bread.
bread.
So beg you some of your bread.
take you some of your bread.
Your bread. So basically, I'm saying, Puri, may I have some of your bread? So it's the same thing. Yes. Beg some of your bread. Didn't you hear? Beg your some of your bread. I want some of your bread. So I'm begging you some. May I have some of your bread?
Do you want? You're asking me.
Yes.
You're asking me to give me to give you
some of your bread. Yeah.
Some of the bread which I have.
Yeah. So is that big some of your bread?
Oh, round.
All right.
It's me the bird.
In a Jamaica, when you talk about which is nice.
Nice.
Nice. You chat too much.
Not too much.
No, not talk too much. You chat too much.
Chat too much.
So when you want to say, if you want to say something, say husband is talking. So husband, you chat too much.
Husband, I talk too much.
Not talk too much. Chat. You chat too much.
I chat too much.
You chat too much.
You
chat too much. Or you can chat so. So that's why we say in Jamaica. You chat too much or you can chat so.
You can chat too much. You can chat so. Chat.
You chat too much.
You chat too much. You speak too much.
That's what they say.
Yes,
so
speak
we
too
say
much.
Chat too much.
Talk too much.
Not chat too much. Chat.
Chat too much.
You chat too much or you can chat so.
Or you can chat so.
So they say, you talk too much. Why are you talking so much? You see? You chat too much or you can chat so.
Okay, what are you always speaking?
We not speak proper English. We are chat Patwa. So we chat too much.
Too much. Chat. Like chat what?
You chat too much.
Chat too much. They chat it as for.
I'm going to go take a shower. So I'm going to say, Piri, I'm going to beard.
You need what?
No, I'm going to take a shower. So I'm going to say, in Jamaica we say, I go beard.
Me I got beard.
Me, I go beard.
Me I got beard.
Yes. So tell me that you're going to shower. Novia, me I go beard.
Me I got beard.
So that means, Novia, I'm going to take a shower. Una geza.
Yo, shower.
Yes. So see, me I go beard.
Me I got beard.
If you want to ask me, when I wake up in the morning and you shower, right?
Yeah.
You can say, Novia, you're not going to bed.
Novia, I cannot bed.
No. Novia.
Novia.
Yo.
Na.
Go. Bed. So Novia, you're not going to bed.
Novia, cannot be a bed. Look, that's something. But if you're in Jamaica, I can hear what she's saying.
Yes,
for
example, that's what I'm teaching you.
Yes, for example, I can say ye. Then she knows, oh, this one is a girl. But just say simple problems or mistakes. When I say ye, but you know that I say this one, I mean,
it's called language barrier.
Yeah, language barrier.
And that's why I'm teaching you the basics.
So the time about this spoken, she speaks that ways. And
that's how it sounds to you.
And I do not see happy what she's trying to say. I think that maybe she's angry. What is
I'm not angry.
She's
I'm
angry.
not angry. It's just my language. So Jamaican people, we sound angry when we speak.
You're angry.
Anyway, thank you guys for stopping by at Biza'S Kitchen and More. We'll see you next time. Bye. Later. Say gue. No, say gue.
Gue.
All right. Say gue.